Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I have yet another HDMI switcher. This is a 4K HDMI switcher which supports HDR. Earlier I have done another video of unboxing another HDMI switcher which has 5 port, but it was without HDR. If you want to see that video, I will put the link in the video above or in the description below for you guys to check it out. So today guys, I have a similar thing but with a very small form factor. It also supports HDR10. So this is something new guys, which is why I am excited to use this with my PlayStation 5 as it supports HDR. So my quality of video or connections will be much better with this switch. So guys, this is a 3-port switcher. That means it has 3 input HDMI port and 1 output HDMI port that can connect to your television. So guys, today I'm going to do unboxing of this. Before we move further, ensure that you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any important information or instructions or specifications that I have to share with you. So if you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Let's get started. So when you first order this HDMI switcher, this is the box in which you get this switch. This is a very small form factor. As you can see, it is even shorter than my palm. So it is very small form factor, so you can use it very easily and tuck it inside, or if you do not have a larger space to handle such equipments, this fits in with all your requirements. So let's see on the box what you have. First, on the top of the box, it says it supports HDMI 2.0B switcher. It has 4K resolution support with 60 Hz. It supports RGB 8x8x8 and HDR10. Let's see on the sides what it says. Here it says that it is HDMI 2.0, same thing, digital live from here, nothing fancy. At the back there is nothing more. On the top here it says it supports Ultra HD, HDCP, 3D, Full HD 1080p, Full HD 4K and 2K support. It can connect to both TV and personal computer. So on the side it says it supports 1080p at 120 Hz, 5:1, 5 in 1 out. I think that is different models that they support, but then I think this model specifically supports 3 in 1 out, and it supports 4K at 60 Hz and 3D supports with 1080p at 120 Hz. So this is a very fast HDMI switcher. This will definitely help you get a better quality out of your box. So here on this side also it has the similar information: 3:1, 5:1, 4K support and 1080p support and 3D support. So 1080p and 3D is at 120 Hz, 4K support is at 60 Hz. So this version has 3 in and 1 out port. So now let us open the box and see what is inside. So first thing that you see inside the box is the HDMI switch itself. So this is, as you can see, is very small. Let us take it out. So it was nicely tucked in so that it does not move inside the box. So this is your HDMI switch. Let's keep it aside and we'll see that in detail later. Let's see what else is there inside the box. So, it has a very small power adapter, which is very nice. I like it because it will not take a lot of space and it is very lightweight. So it has a power rating of around 5 volt 1 ampere, and that on the top it has USB type A. This is the power cable. So this is USB type A to micro USB, which will help you power your HDMI switch so that it can perform better. So what else you have is the remote itself. So you don't have to be there personally in front of the switch to change the source of the HDMI. So you can use this remote control to control it remotely and connect it to the different source of videos. Let's see what else is there inside. So there are some 3 in 1 out HDMI 2.0 switcher instructions for you. So this is your user manual that comes along with it. There is nothing more inside the box. So this is all what you get inside this box. So let's see one by one each one of them. So I will be doing in detail video on how to use this. So I'm not going to go in the instruction manual of use. It is pretty basic and standard. Most of the time it is plug and play, so it is self-explanatory, but it contains some of the important instructions and specifications. If you want, you can go through it. I will keep this aside for now. So this is the power adapter that comes in. So this power adapter is input can be from 100 volt to 240 volt AC, and it can output 5 volt and 1 ampere. So this is the small power adapter that comes along with it. So it matches with the form factor of your HDMI switch as well, which is what I like most about it. So it is small, so that I can push it inside and tuck it inside anywhere I want. It is very convenient. So next thing is the power cable. It is a decent sized power cable. I think it's around ½ meter or something. So that is what it looks like. It comes with a micro USB to USB type A. So USB type A goes into your power adapter here, and then micro USB will go into the HDMI switch itself to power it up. Alright, so let's see the remote control. So this is nicely packed. Let's open it. So you see it is pretty simple remote control with 3 switches here. It says 3-port amplifier selector remote control. So this is what you have, is remotely switch between 3 HDMI inputs that you have on your HDMI switcher, and you can control it remotely. It comes with little plastic to save the battery or insulate the battery from utilizing when you are storing someplace. So once you pull it out, it will be used for your power. Battery will be activated, and then you can use this remote control to control your HDMI switcher. So let's open the battery compartment and see how does it look. So this comes with a lithium button cell. See, it was insulated at the back. So this is the button cell that it comes with. This button cell number is CR2025. It is 3 volt lithium cell. So this is the lithium button cell. So this is the serial number through which, if you want to find and replace this battery, you can do that by this serial number. But I think it lasts very long. In my experience, I would not have to change it for at least a year. So that's nice. So let's put this inside. Alright, so this is your remote control, and now let us see the HDMI switcher itself. On the top it says 3x1 HDMI 2.0B switcher. So it has 4K 60Hz RGB support for 8:8:8 and 4K HDR support as well. So it has EDID support as well with 2.2 version and 16 Gbps high speed. So this is an high speed switcher that you have, so which is very nice, so that you get a better quality. On this side you have a micro USB port where you can connect your power cable and power it up. It has an IR remote sensor, so this is how it controls this switcher from this remote control. And this is an HDMI output, so you have only one HDMI output that you can connect to your PC. And you have 3 LEDs here on the top, which will tell you which source is selected as of now and which source is playing. And also it has a small button here that will manually help you select the HDMI source. If for some reason, if you do not want to use this remote control, or you do not have it handy, you are near this HDMI switcher, then you can use the select switch to manually change the source. On the back side, you see you have 3 input ports. This is full HDMI ports that you see. You can connect up to 3 equipments or devices like DVD player, your gaming station, and any Chromecast or something that you use normally. So this is pretty much it. On the back side you have nothing more. It is just the basic safety instructions that you have. It is made in China. So it is made out of metal, which is very sturdy, I think, and which is very nicely built. So I think this is it, guys. So this is the switch, I think, which I would recommend. So guys, when you use this HDMI switch with your PlayStation 5, you have to reduce the flicker by selecting the flicker reduction factor to -2. That is how it works perfectly. So I think it is fast enough, but I think the PlayStation provides a better frequency or higher frequency at times, which is why you need to switch it to your flicker reduction factor to -2. That is how it works. It will not work on automatic. It will not work on -1. So that is what I wanted to tell you guys before you want to buy this and use it with your PlayStation 5. I have no experience with Xbox, but then I think if you have a similar feature there, I think you will have to reduce the speed of HDMI transfer. Although it is fast enough, but I think PlayStation 5 is newer generation, so I think it is much faster. But then you will not notice anything on your TV screen. It does not impact any quality or anything, so I think that's nice. So this is it, guys. This is the unboxing of this 3-port HDMI switcher, which supports HDMI 2.0 with 4K 60Hz support with RGB 8x8x8 and 4K HDR support as well. So I think this is a nice addition to your gaming rig. I highly recommend buying this if you do not have one, so that you can connect multiple equipments at the same time without reducing or compromising the quality of your video. So guys, if you like this video, please hit that like button. If you have any questions or comment, please leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer as soon as possible. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification icon so that you get the notifications for all my new videos. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching and see you guys later.